All right, so what is a guarantor? A guarantor is just a fancy word for a cosigner. So, say you want a $2,500 apartment, right? You, as the applicant, need to make 40 times the rent, which is $100,000. Say you only make $80,000, which is fine. The management company or the landlord, they're going to be like, well, can you get a guarantor? The guarantor can be your mom, it can be your dad, it can be multiple people. It could be your mom, your roommate's dad, everybody together. It doesn't have to just be one person. But all of these people together need to be able to come up with 80 times the rent. So on that same $2,500 apartment, 80 times the rent would be $200,000. So everybody's income added together needs to be $200,000. They also all need to have good credit, so at least 680, 700. And then they need to just have all of the documents. So employment letter, pay stubs, tax returns, photo ID. And if they own their own business, this is something that always comes up with guarantors because usually they're more established, they're older. Sometimes they own their own business. So if they own their own business, they need to be able to get a CPA letter, right? Because they won't have an employment letter. They need to get a CPA letter, and that CPA letter needs to clearly state how much money their business makes. Simple.